You may have deactivated your Instagram account and changed your mind and you want to reactivate it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate Instagram account after temporarily deactivating it. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, I'm going to walk you through on deactivating my account. So it will be shown. So from your profile page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, and once you're here, click on the 3 bar lines, click on settings, click on account, and click on delete account at the bottom part of this page. And then you would have the option to deactivate your account. So deactivating your account is temporary, and so just click on deactivate account right over here, and an Instagram page will load. And then you will be asked for a reason on deactivating your account. So I'm just going to click on too many ads, and then it will ask you to re-enter your password. So just type in your password, just click on yes, and temporarily deactivate your account. And once you have deleted your Instagram account, it will be removed from your accounts list on your Instagram app. Now, what we're going to do is to add a certain account. So just click on the 3 bar line at the top right corner if you have another account. So what we're going to do is to log in to the account that we just deactivated. So just click on add account and click on log into existing account. Now just type in your username and the password and click on log in. And that is basically how you can reactivate your Instagram account by just re-logging into your account after you have deactivated it. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.